In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete past trips, Airbnb, 5 minutes. Let's clear up one thing right away. On Airbnb, you can't truly delete individual past trips from your account history. Airbnb maintains those records to protect account integrity, support safety reviews, and preserve receipts. What you can do, however, is limit what others see on your public profile and, if needed, remove yourself from certain shared reservations or even deactivate your entire account. I'll show you each option so you can pick the one that fits your situation. Start by logging into Airbnb on the web or in the app. To reduce what's publicly visible, click your profile picture in the top right and open your profile page, then choose Edit. Look for the section called Where I've Been. This is where travel stamps and activity can appear on your public profile. Disable the setting that shows this information and then click Done to save. This change hides your travel stamps from anyone who visits your profile, but it does not erase your trips from your private trips list. You'll still see your reservations, and Airbnb will still retain the history internally. On mobile, the wording may vary slightly, but the toggle works the same way. If you don't see the Where I've Been section at first, make sure you're in edit mode and scroll. If you need to change your association with a particular reservation, open the menu for more options and go to Trips. Select the relevant trip, open the reservation details, choose Manage Guests, and select Leave, then Confirm. This is useful for shared or group reservations where you were added as a guest. Keep in mind, it won't remove a completed booking from Airbnb's records, but it can take your name off an active shared itinerary. If you want a complete reset, go to Account Settings, open Login and Security, and choose Deactivate Your Account. Follow the prompts to confirm. Deactivating removes your profile from public view and effectively wipes your presence from Airbnb, but it will also affect future bookings and communications. So make sure you've wrapped up any upcoming trips before you proceed. Depending on your region, you may see different language around temporary deactivation versus permanent deletion. Follow the on-screen guidance and review any warnings about refunds or messages. That's it. You can hide your travel stamps, adjust your connection to a shared reservation, or deactivate your account entirely. Choose the level of privacy that matches your needs, and you'll keep your profile as minimal and private as you want.